let's make a heart paperclip ring. First of all, I'm so sorry if the video is looking kind of weird because it seems like the POV is like you're sitting on my lap. Peace, I will make a better video, I promise. But anyway, welcome to steudiora. And here are a few things we need. We need a paperclip or maybe some, just in case, you know. And then we also need a plier like this, and then we also need something round. I'm going to use my nail polish here, and the very first step is that you make the paperclip straight just by opening it like this. And then yeah, I mean, like, you can do it using your plier or using your finger, but be careful, right? It sometimes can be hard a little bit for me because I'm already used to it anyway. And then we're using our plier to make the heart shape by doing it like this. I'm so sorry for being out of frame, but yeah, this is how you can do it using your plier. You can just bend it like that, and then like that, darling. And after that, when we got the heart, we take the round thing, or maybe you can use lip balm, but here, as I said, I'm using my nail polish. And then we're just going to use the, what is it, the lid, the top, the cover, yeah, that part. And then we just need to bend it like this, making it a little bit round so it can fit our finger, just like that. And then you can also make the shape better or reshape it using your finger or your plier like that, like I did in the video, darling. And then after that, ta-da, you can make it big or smaller before, you know, before putting it in your finger. Just adjust it however you like until you feel comfortable with it. I know it is made of paperclip and it is not really long lasting, but I have this for years. I mean, like, my paperclips are 3 years old, I guess. I hope it helps you even for a little bit, and thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Love you.